Good evening. My name is Myron Morgan. Welcome to Let's Talk Atlanta talk show. Real people talk about real conversations. And welcome to the WJ Mack Show.
Ways of expression.
Gotta tell you.
Ways of expression. Ways of expression. Gotta tell you. WJ Max.
Is it okay to have male and female friends when you are married?
From out of nowhere, no. But because I think a lot of times it's hitting multiple females, but at the same time, I think that both parties need to be comfortable with you.
I say yeah and then no. The reason why I say yeah and no is because I feel like that it should be my companion. You should be able to sift through your friends and know who's good and who's positive and who's negative. So it can't go both ways because because keep in mind you got a lot of girlfriends. When they down, they want you to feel down. And when they up, they want you to feel up. So as you being my wife or my fiance or whatever, you need to sift through your homegirls as well as I need to sift through my homeboys. I mean, because if they're not gonna benefit our relationship, we both gonna have to drop.
Married, then y'all as one. So then friends should be as one. So it's my friend, it's your friend. So then that way, they know what kind of friend is he or what kind of friend is she. It's not, you're like a whole
Young ladies, it doesn't matter what kind of friend you have. If she's your wife or she's somebody very close to you, regardless as to if your friend is whatever type of person, you mean that much to her, then she's not gonna let that happen, regardless as to what type of man he is.
Because I wouldn't bring around some of my friends because some of my friends are not the nicest of people. You know that I wouldn't put you in a situation where I know you would be harmed.
Well, why would you? What type of friend is that?
Yeah, you can be evaluated
You
what
don't need
friend
to be
is.
Right.
Associate.
Just because when I say friend, he's my friend. Just because he don't live in the best place, don't mean he's not a good person. Just because he does dirty stuff doesn't mean he's not a good person. He might not be nice to y'all or to somebody else that he doesn't know, but he's the best friend I got. He's there whenever I need him. I call him up. It could be 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. I got a flat tire. He go go find me a flat tire to put on my car.
Why? So he's gonna be mean to your wife?
I didn't say he was gonna be mean to my wife. I'm just saying that it's places that you don't take your wife.
He can't come out of that place to meet your
He
wife?
come out of the
Okay.
And then that's where he could meet her.
Right, that's the bottom line.
I'm saying that
As long as she knows about him, it's not like I got this secret friend. I cannot tell you about him because he ain't the best person. Yeah, I'll be like, what you mean? You ought to trust me enough to know that I won't be judgmental and say, okay, he don't leave. No, I'm not. I have friends that don't do the right things. That don't mean that they're not my friends. And some of them are really good friends, but that don't mean I'm gonna keep them from my spouse. I want them to be just as good a friend to my spouse. If my spouse got a flat tire, I want them to be able to go and rescue my spouse, just like they would come and rescue me.
Suppose that friend is a guy friend that you slept with before.
That ain't your friend.
That's your friend.
You're saying before you get married, you had a friend, girlfriend, that you slept with, or a friend, not necessarily a girlfriend, but a friend, but whatever you want to call it. Now you got married. Are you saying that you can't be friends with her?
Ways of expression.
Gotta tell you.
Ways of expression. Ways of expression. Gotta tell you. WJ Max. Ways of expression.
Gotta tell you.
Ways of expression. Ways of expression. Gotta tell you. WJ Max. Ways of expression.
Gotta tell you.
Ways of expression. Ways of expression. Gotta tell you. WJ Max.